Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen. Zen is a school of Mahayana Buddhism that originated in China and later spread to Japan. It emphasizes direct, experiential understanding rather than reliance on scriptures or doctrines. The core of Zen practice involves cultivating mindfulness and present moment awareness, often through seated meditation. This approach helps individuals achieve a state of inner peace and clarity, fostering a deeper connection with their true nature. The foundation of Zen practice lies in Zazen, or seated meditation. Typically, practitioners sit for 20 to 40 minutes, focusing on their breath and observing thoughts without judgment. Another important practice is Kinhin, or walking meditation, where each step is taken with full awareness. Additionally, koans, which are short, paradoxical statements, are used to challenge the intellect and open the mind to new perspectives, often requiring deep contemplation for several days and even weeks. Cultivating mindfulness is key to integrating Zen into your daily life. Start by dedicating 5 to 10 minutes each day to mindful breathing, simply observing the inhale and exhale. Extend this awareness to everyday activities. For instance, truly taste your food during meals or feel your feet on the ground while walking. The goal is to observe your thoughts and emotions as they arise without getting caught up in them, fostering a sense of calm and detachment throughout your day. Integrating Zen into your daily routine can transform your experience. Try taking short, 2 to 3 minute meditation breaks during work or other activities to reset your focus. Practice active listening in conversations, giving your full attention to the other person. Embrace the concept of impermanence, understanding that everything changes, which can help you let go of rigid expectations and find greater peace in the flow of life. This consistent practice builds resilience and inner calm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.